Welcome to the channel. This is the part of the video where I'm meant to say something really cool. I think the YouTube gurus call it a hook to get all you guys to watch the rest of the video. Well, I'm not going to do that today. We're just going to go straight into it. And as you can see, I've got some cool little bits of silver bullion here. Now you've got some really cool bits and pieces, and I was going through and I come to the realisation I could do really storing these, but I just don't want a generic. I just don't want to chuck them in a monster box or some other generic box. I want something personalised. I want something really cool that's going to protect them, and I can take them out, I can leave it on the shelf, and it can look really, really cool. So there was only one man to ask, and that man is found in Stacker Social. Now, as you can see here, you'll see the QR code. Scan that. You getting that? Scan that, and that'll take you straight there. And you need to go and see this guy, Nerd UK. Nerd is the boy when it comes to 3D, well, I should say the man when it comes to 3D printing. Absolutely fabulous. Now, the reason I've got these coins out, I want to focus in on just a few of them. So we'll get some of these out of the way. We got all sorts. We got a little, what's that one? That's the Britannia. Falcon of the Plantagenets. Golden State Mint, Scottsdale. There's all sorts. You say that's a cool one. Look at that bad boy. Right, anyway, let's get rid of the ones that aren't interesting me today. Now, these are the 5. Now, these 5 coins, if you're in Stacker Social or watch some of my other videos, you'll know exactly what these are. These were made and minted by Cardiff Gold. So the plan is, I want to get all these, I want to store them 5 together because they're really cool. And what do I do? How do I go about it? Well, there is an answer, and as I said earlier, Nerd UK is the answer. So let's have a quick look at these. These are the coins, as you can see. Cardiff Gold had them minted. Such a lovely gesture for some YouTube creators. Myself, TSC, the stack collector who does the stack chats with the duck races, 365 who shows you lovely coins with pictures on, and of course Cy the Soundman who does some wonderful videos, you know. So let's have a look what we've got. So I reached out to Nerd and I asked him, could you do something? And he was like, yes, of course. And he sent me this. Look at this. Are you getting that? This is all 3D printed. How cool is that? Silverpunk box to fit these very cool rounds in. So you get him opened up, and as you can see, we've also got the old logo, the old Stacker Social logo, the handshake. And look at this. In they go. How cool is that? And the 3D printed top, wicked. But we just didn't get one of something's no good, is it? That's no good. We had to go and get them all done, didn't we? So this one's size. I'm going to get these out in the post to you very soon, guys. As you can see, you get in that. Very, very cool. Look at the logo. How cool is that? And of course, 365. Again. Just so cool. Of course, Cardiff Gold, who made the bad boys. And just look at the quality, and look at the quality. Hinge, 3D printed hinge. All this is 3D printed. It's just absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Nerds knocked it out the park. And of course we've got TSC. Now it's TFC, we've done one slightly different. We've done Social Stack. We did Social Stackers Social. And we've done this one for TSC. I'm sure you'll know why. And just how cool are they? They're absolutely fantastic. Nerd UK has done us proud. So if you want anything 3D printed, you got a storage problem, you want a box for a bespoke coin or something you want to, I don't know, put on display, head over to Stacker Social, hit up Nerd UK, and I'm sure he'll have a solution for you. Cheers, folks. I should do some ending and some go and watch this video, blah blah blah, but yeah.